In this quick guide, you'll learn how to set up recurring payments on Trading 212. Whether you're looking to automate your investments or simply make your financial life a little bit easier, setting up recurring payments can be a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Trading 212 app on your device. Once inside, navigate to the Investments or Portfolio section. This is where you'll find all your current holdings and be able to manage your investments. Next, you'll need to select an investment that you already hold. This could be any stock, ETF, or fund you've previously purchased. Once you've made your selection, scroll down until you see the Auto Invest feature. This is the key to setting up your recurring payments. Now, it's time to decide on your initial deposit amount. This is the first sum of money that you'll be putting into your investment. After you've chosen this amount, you'll need to decide on the frequency of your investments. You can choose to invest weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly, depending on what best suits your financial goals and cash flow. Once you've set your initial deposit and chosen your investment frequency, it's time to enter the recurring amount you want to invest each time. This is the amount that will be automatically deducted from your account at your chosen frequency. It's important to make sure that this amount aligns with your budget and investment strategy. After entering the recurring amount, take a moment to review all your settings. Ensure everything looks correct and that you're comfortable with the amounts and frequency you've set. Once you're satisfied, tap on Next to proceed. Finally, confirm your settings by tapping Fund. This action will activate your recurring payments and you'll be all set to automate your investments. Your chosen amounts will now be invested at the regular intervals you've specified, helping you stay consistent with your investment strategy. And that's how you set up recurring payments on Trading 212. By following these steps, you're taking a significant step towards a more systematic and disciplined approach to investing. Automating your investments can help eliminate the emotional aspect of investing, allowing you to stick to your plan and potentially grow your wealth over time. Happy investing!